I'm going to show you two ways to attach something to a cylinder. The easiest way is to use the mechanical properties of your material, make a C-shaped clip that flexes and then wants to snap back into place. So this works in the case of our product. Our X clip allows you to see your medication at a glance. But here is a project I'm working on for someone else. I can't tell you what it's for, but I can show you what it does. This is a custom hinged shaft collar that uses a cam lever to give you mechanical advantage to compress this silicone material against a shaft. So here is a shaft, or well, this is just a 3D printed cylinder, but you can imagine. We tighten up this nut while the cam lever is in its closed position, or its open position. And then as we move that cam lever back, it pulls this shut. And so now we've got a part that is locked in there. So easy, but is not going to stay on with the same amount of force as something like this. We're compressing a high friction material against this part. So how does this work? Oh, also we've got these slots in there. So if you want to be able to attach this to a different sized cylinder, we can do that. This was all designed in Fusion by me. If you've got a project you need working on, I am for hire. So again, this cam lever gives you a mechanical advantage to compress that high friction material against that shaft to prevent it from moving or slipping. And then this gives us a surface where something can roll on. Okay, let me show you how exactly the cam lever works. Let's see, this can focus. There is a slot in this part right here, these little triangle pieces. There's a slot that allows that to move. And this, when the cam lever is in its open position, you have the smallest distance from that pivot point to this surface that the cam lever meets. And then from then on, you have an increasing spiral. So for every degree of rotation, you get further away from that pivot until you meet the highest point. And then after that, you have a relief that allows it to stay shut.